What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever been scrolling through Instagram and noticed a post vanish right before your eyes? Annoying, right? Well, today I'm dropping a game changer. I'm going to show you exactly how to check deleted posts on Instagram. Yep, you heard that right. No more missing out on those juicy details. So grab your phone, buckle up, and let's jump straight into it. First up, once you have opened up your Instagram app, go to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the corner. Then tap on the hamburger menu. Once you're in the settings and activity, go for your activity. Then scroll down until you see the tab removed and archived content and tap on recently deleted. This shows the posts that might be recently deleted from your profile or posts. It can be either posts or stories or reels, any of them. So you can just check it out. And if this hack just blew your mind, smash the like button, and if you want more content like this, make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. Got questions or something you want to see next? Drop it in the comments. I'm always here to help. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay awesome.